Okay everyone, I'm Matt with Parsons Landscaping and wanted to go over the equipment that we're using. So this is one of the ZTRs that we have. This is made by Mean Green. This is predominantly what we're using as our main larger mower. This is a 60-inch machine. It's got a full mulch kit on it. Each one of the blade motors here is an electric motor. There's 3 of those on this machine. We also have wheels on here. These are airless tires. So, and we have that back here, and it allows for a little more connect with the ground. More tire touches the ground, a little less tear marks and so forth when we're maintaining the property. So you also have on this machine, and there's a display here that shows you the exact height of what the machine is cutting at. And you can range that all the way above 5 inches. So typically we're going to be cutting Floratam around 4 inches, sometimes a little bit higher, depending on what's going on and what time of year it is. So underneath the seat here is going to be the main part of all the different things that are going on to make the machine work. So these are your controllers. This is kind of the brain of this machine. Each one of these here is a controller for the drive motors. It's also sensing power and what it needs to run those the machine forward. Each one of these silver boxes, those are for the blade controllers, so they'll turn on your blades. They also maintain your blade speed. So when you get into thicker grass, it's going to maintain that higher blade speed. You're not going to have the same reduction that you normally would have with a gas machine. This is an electronic deck lift system, so this will lift up your deck and lower it. So this is kind of where everything that goes on with this machine occurs. So it's a little bit complicated in a certain respect as far as what some of this is doing for the machine, but overall it's much simpler as far as how it effectively works on the machine, and it's a lot more efficient in how much energy this machine uses to run and to cut your lawn. Less emission, well, no emissions related to this machine, except for how you might be charging it. So we do charge it here at our shop. And so every night we bring these back and we plug them in and they charge overnight so that they're ready to go for the next day. So, and this again here is your display for the different options. You've got your blade speeds that you can control. Your drive speed also can be controlled. So it's pretty neat as far as having the functionality that you have with this. This is not something you're going to have with a normal gas machine. So we're going to go ahead and put the seat down, and I'm going to show you basically our engine compartment, what motors this whole thing. So right now we're gonna look at basically what's powering this machine, the motor, if you will. These are the 3 lithium ion batteries. So this is running the machine, and each one of these are individual batteries. They are all connected together. Each one of these have a BMS system, and they also will let you know the charge on here as well when you light these up. So this is what's running this whole thing. Each one of these have individual cells built in here. They're lithium. Charge them up every night and you're ready to go for the next day. So really, really pleased with how this machine works in general, the quality of the cut, the quietness, smoothness, just everything about it. They're really, really great machines, and our ability to take care of our customers with this machine is much improved as opposed to what you'd have with another machine. Less maintenance, less downtime, less issues with the machine. Also, this one has about 250 hours on it, and we're still running strong. So we're excited about this equipment. We consider them a partner in a way with us, and we're only as good as the equipment that we have running out there. But these machines do work as well, if not better. In my opinion, better, because you don't have some of the inefficiencies that you have with a gas machine. This is able to up the power when need be, lower it when you don't need it. So we're very, very pleased with this. This is what we'll be using on our properties as much as possible. And we'll be using this on our commercial properties and our HOAs, keep the noise level down and a far superior cut. So we look forward to serving you and look forward to having more conversations about what this can do for you and your community and how we can help our environment together. Thank you.